the best thing is when these buildings and these organisations are populated, and what AN's done today is ensure that there are 60 plus people who are all committed and active and engaged and communicative, and I think you can see behind me it's just really creating a lovely buzz.
It feels really important that AN are here and that the assembly is taking place in Stoke-on-Trent. It's actually quite a large city, it's quite spread out, but the art community here is quite small, and so sort of feeling represented as an artist here in this community is really vital.
It's a really great opportunity to have so many different artists and people in Stoke-on-Trent, and it's really great to be part of this conversation and to hear about things that I'm already aware of on my doorstep, but maybe dig a bit deeper into those and hear about other people's practices that are happening around me that I didn't know was happening.
So today's event for me has been really interesting because it's a great opportunity to put forward an idea, a concept that we've been thinking about, and almost like hand it over to the group, so to see how other artists engage with that idea.
I enjoyed hearing all of the presentations this morning, and I think it was really good food for thought, setting the scene for the day. I'm really looking forward to taking part in Lydia Catterall's workshop this afternoon and thinking about the environment and thinking about nurture and how we support ourselves and each other.
The best thing about today is knowing and looking at the programme and seeing that I'm part of a machine that's got cogs from all over the place that are all feeding into this really, really important conversation at the moment. And I'm really, really chuffed to be part of it.
For us as a city, I think we get overlooked quite a lot, and I think artists in this city are often, really struggling to find support and to sort of give each other support. So these sorts of events are a real celebration actually of the creative people that make Stoke what it is.
Yeah, just a chance to hear other people's experiences and share some of the things that are challenges in our work and get other people's input on them and have a bit of a conversation.
There's loads going on in Stoke that just isn't seen outside of Stoke, so it's really great to have AN here.
Moments like this really kind of feel safe and supportive, and I'm just really thankful that AN recognises this artist-led organisation as an important, vital space for that kind of activity to happen in.